Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator flapper door guide. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new flapper door guide. The flapper door guide guides the flapper door into the cabinet. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the refrigerator door is not opening and closing properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take out the screw that holds the flapper guide on. Once you have the screw out, you can lift the guide off and pull it off the door. Here's the old flapper door guide next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new flapper door guide on, you just have to line it up and set it in place. And you can use the Phillip screwdriver to put the screw back in. Once you have it tightened down, you can close the door. Once you have the door closed, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.